Hello, young learners. I'm Professor Hoot. Today we will learn about common nouns. Are you ready to learn about nouns? Let's flap into action. Nouns are special words we use to name people, places, things, and ideas. Look around. Tree, rabbit, river. These are all nouns we can see and touch. For example, book, dog, man,
Hello.
hedgehog, park. We call these concrete nouns. Some nouns we can't see or touch. For example, love, happiness, intelligent, kindness, health. We feel these things in our hearts, and they are called abstract nouns. Let's head to the town and learn more about nouns. Welcome to Noun Town. Let's learn some more nouns. Concrete noun examples. People,
Hi. Hello.
teacher, librarian, firefighter, places, school, library, fire station, animals, dog, bee, squirrel, cat, deer, duck, bird. Things: boat, bench, tree. Let's look again at some examples of nouns we can't see. When we say a baby is upset, we are talking about how the baby feels inside. Upset. You cannot see or touch upset. It's the same for happiness, which is another emotion we feel inside. Fear, kindness, and joy. These are other examples of emotions, abstract nouns. Let's head back to the forest and have a quiz about nouns. Great job exploring nouns with me today. Now let's test what we have learned. I will show you different things from our adventure, and your job is to tell me if it is a noun we can touch, see, and feel, or if it's a noun we can only think about and feel in our hearts. Are you ready? Let's begin. Can we touch, see, or feel this, or is it something we just think about? That's right, it's a tree. We can touch and see. This is called a concrete noun. Can we touch and read this, or is it just in our imagination? That's right, it's a book. We can touch and see. Is this something we can touch, or is it something we feel inside? Happiness. Abstract noun, an emotion we feel inside. Can we hold love in our hands, or is it just a feeling we have inside? It's a feeling in our heart. Love, an abstract noun. Let's have one last quiz. Count the concrete and abstract nouns. Are you ready? Let's begin. Press pause while you count. Wow, you did wonderfully. Remember, nouns that we can touch, see, and feel are called concrete nouns, and the ones we feel inside, like love and happiness, are called abstract nouns. Keep exploring and noticing the nouns around you every day. See you soon. I hope you had fun with me today. Thank you for learning with me. If you enjoyed learning with me today, please subscribe to my channel to be updated with all my latest videos. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.